Hello lovely, welcome or welcome back to another video. I hope you are well. Today I'm going to be showing you how I create my signature side puff. I've had a few requests of people asking me how I create this look. It's really simple, it's super basic, and it's definitely one of my go-to looks. So I thought, you know what, let me just go ahead and do the tutorial. Now I'm someone who only uses 100% natural ingredients on my hair, so I will not be using any of those synthetic harsh gels on my hair. And to be honest with you, when I create this style, I don't normally even use gel, but I thought for this tutorial, I'm going to show you what it looks like with the gel. So I actually use organic aloe vera gel because I know a lot of you may want to use gel. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I will be using my brush, my holistic herbal spray, and of course my organic aloe vera gel. I will also be using my homemade shea butter, but I forgot to show it in this part of the clip. But the day before of me pulling out these plaits and creating this style, I actually did like a 20-minute very quick wash on my hair. I have filmed a very detailed tutorial showing you how I wash my hair within 20 to 30 minutes. So that video will be linked in the description for you to check out. Once I washed my hair, I sealed in all of that moisture, all of that hydration with my holistic herbal spray, with my organic castor oil, and with my homemade 3-ingredient shea butter. All useful links will be below in the description. Please be sure to check that out. Now these are the results of my hair after washing and moisturizing it, and I want to say that this is probably one of my favorite ways to moisturize my hair because it's very simple. I'm using very basic and all natural ingredients. At the time of me filming this video, I was in the middle of doing a 6-month hair challenge where I challenged myself to wear my hair out every single day during the winter season, and this, I have to say, was one of my go-to styles. In fact, it was like the main style that I would do my hair in. What I'm doing here is I'm just swooping my hair and sort of getting it to the side, positioning it to where I want it to be. But yeah, as I was just saying, this was my go-to style. You'll notice that I am not sort of separating my coils too much. I want to keep my coils clumped, and I'm using, I think in this particular spray, I was using water, aloe vera juice, chamomile and glycerin because it just gives my hair this really nice shine. And most of the time, I would only use this spray followed or paired with my shea butter, but as I said before, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using gel as well. But I absolutely love this holistic herbal spray for this particular style. So again, I'm just swooping my hair, just smoothing my hair into the position that I want it to be. I'm just going to be spraying this, as I said, on the sides and the back of my hair before sealing all of that lovely hydration in with my shea butter. I want to quickly add that my holistic hairsprays act as a leave-in, and the conditioning aspect of it is coming from the shea butter. In real time, this style usually takes me no more than about 3 minutes. That's it. So there you go. There's my shea butter that I'm showing you that I'm going to be applying to my hair. And what this is going to do is seal in all of that hydration, and as well it's going to add to the shine of my hair. This would not give me hold, okay? So I would normally just do it with the spray and with the shea butter, but I wouldn't get much hold. But this is my preferred method. I don't normally add gel, as I said, but for the purpose of this video, as you can see here, I am now applying my organic aloe vera gel, and what this is going to do is like give my hair a really nice light hold. If you're using this, please don't expect to get like a really strong hold as if you were using synthetic hair gels. You're just going to get a light hold, which, you know, for me is absolutely fine. I much prefer that so that I can use natural organic ingredients rather than using synthetic ingredients that just contain chemicals and, you know, hormone disrupting ingredients in them, cancer causing ingredients in them. Like it's not worth the style in my opinion for me. So I like to use the organic aloe vera gel. Feel free to make it yourself if you want to, but I ain't doing that. I make too many products as it is, so I just decided to purchase my aloe vera gel from, I believe it was Amazon, and it is organic. As I said, it's very good. I've been using it for about 2 years now. So this particular brush is very soft. It's a soft ball bristle brush. I'm just swooping the sides and the back. I will not be touching the curls. And now I am gathering up the back half of my hair, and I'm going to use my butterfly clip to just clip this in place. Now, you know what, I have been on the hunt for a really beautiful butterfly clip, but all the ones that I find seem to be for Caucasian hair. I need a really strong grip, one that's just going to hold my hair tightly in place, and I just haven't been able to find one. As I said, the ones that I find, they're quite flimsy. They're quite flimsy and they're just not going to hold my hair in place. So I got those ones from Amazon. There was like a pack of 7 for £7, something like that. Now with the sides of my hair, I'm kind of just going to get, like, it's hard for me to explain, but hopefully you can see, I'm popping some more of my hair that's at the side to the back of my hair. That's going to enable it to fit into the butterfly clip, but obviously I can't do that with all of the side of my hair, so I'm going in with my bobby pins to do this, and I'm going to use 2 on this side, 1 in each direction, which is going to help to keep my hair in place. And that is it for this side of my hair. So as you can see, this style is so simple, it really is, and I love creating it. This is just a style that I wear for the majority of the times that my hair is out, and it's one of my favorites. You definitely have to give it a try. Right, so for the other side of my hair, I'm literally going to do the same thing. I'm going to try and put a little bit more of my hair to the side. I'm going to swoop it round to the back so that it can fit, into my butterfly clip. And I'm doing that so it can sort of create height. I like my hair to be quite high, so that's why I do that. And then that is pretty much it. I just kind of shape it, fluff it, do what I gotta do to make it look how I want it to look. That's it. Like, how simple was that? When it comes to preserving this style, what I do is just put my hair up into a pineapple, get my silk scarf, wrap it up and go to bed. Pull that out in the morning, put my butterfly clip in, and that's it. Sometimes I will go in with my holistic spray to spray the sides and the back, but I won't normally add in any extra product because I find that the product that I added to my hair the day before is more than enough. So I just spray my hair, pop it in a butterfly clip, and that's it. The style usually lasts, I want to say, between about 3 or maybe even 4 days.
Take all my worries and my fears away on this Friday.